If you live in the United States, whether you're new to the country or you've been here for years, choosing the right checking account can make a huge difference in your financial life. Most people don't realize how much money they lose every single year to unnecessary bank fees, overdraft charges, ATM withdrawals, and monthly service fees. The truth is that the wrong checking account can cost you hundreds of dollars annually, while the right one can save you money, give you rewards, and make your financial life a lot easier. In this video, we're going to break down the best checking accounts in the United States for 2025. We'll look at the accounts that have no fees, the ones that give you early paychecks, the ones that help build credit, and even those that offer cashback. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly which account matches your lifestyle and your goals. Let's start with one important fact. The banking system in the United States can feel confusing, especially if you're an immigrant, a student, or someone with no credit history. Every bank has rules, minimum balances, overdraft policies, and hidden conditions. Some banks charge $10 or $15 monthly just to keep your account open. Others charge $35 every time you make a mistake and go negative. But in 2025, you don't need to deal with any of that anymore. There are many excellent banks with zero fees and powerful features. The first account we need to talk about is Capital One 360 Checking. This bank has been a favorite for years because it offers exactly what most people want: no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and access to more than 70,000 free ATMs nationwide. Capital One also has physical branches in many major cities, which is useful if you prefer talking to a real person. It also includes instant transfer between Capital One accounts, mobile check deposit, and great fraud protection. Another bonus is that this checking account earns interest. It's not a huge amount, but most traditional big banks offer zero interest on checking. Capital One gives you a clean, simple, and easy experience. Next, we have Chime Checking Account. Chime is one of the most popular online banks in the country, especially among younger people and new immigrants. The main reason is simple: it has zero fees. No overdraft fees, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and you can get paid up to 2 days early if your employer sends deposits electronically. For many people living paycheck to paycheck, getting that paycheck early can be a big help. Chime also has a feature called Spot Me, which lets you overdraft small amounts like $20 or $40 without charging a fee. Another powerful feature is that Chime comes with a credit builder card, which helps people with no credit history or bad credit start building their score. The next great option is Discover Cashback Debit. If you like earning rewards, this account is perfect. Discover gives you 1% cashback on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases every month. That's a potential bonus of $360 a year just for using your debit card the same way you already do. And of course, Discover charges no monthly fees and no minimum balance. It's one of the few debit cards in America that actually rewards you for spending. The only downside is that Discover doesn't have physical branches, but their customer service is known for being excellent, and the app is easy to use. Another strong contender is Ally Bank Checking. Ally is an online bank, but it consistently ranks among the top banking experiences in the country. It has no monthly fees, no minimums, and offers very competitive interest rates. One of Ally's strongest features is its budgeting and savings tools. You can create separate buckets for your money, like rent, travel, emergency fund, or future expenses. This makes it easier to stay organized. Ally also refunds up to $10 a month in ATM fees if you use an ATM outside their network. And while Ally has no physical branches, the mobile experience is one of the best. Now let's talk about a bank that many immigrants love: the Wells Fargo Clear Access banking account. Wells Fargo is one of the biggest banks in the United States, with thousands of branches and ATMs. Their Clear Access account is designed for people who want a simple, no overdraft account. They won't let you go negative, so you can't accidentally overdraft and get hit with huge fees. The monthly fee is normally $5, but it's waived for people between ages 13 and 24 or if you meet simple conditions. The benefit of Wells Fargo is convenience. If you like in-person banking, this might be the simplest choice. Another excellent option is SoFi Checking and Savings. SoFi is a modern online bank that combines a checking account with a high-interest savings account. You get paid early, there are no fees, and you can earn cash back at certain stores. One of the biggest benefits of SoFi is that it offers some of the highest interest rates on savings in the entire banking system. You can earn several percent APY depending on the year's rates. SoFi also has amazing investment tools, loans, and budgeting features. If you want an all-in-one financial hub, SoFi is one of the strongest choices. If you want a bank with excellent customer service and a friendly starter system, PNC Virtual Wallet is a good option. PNC combines checking, savings, and budgeting in one dashboard. You can see exactly where your money is going, set up alerts, and divide your money into spending and saving categories. The virtual wallet system teaches you to manage your cash flow more responsibly. PNC does have branches in many states, but not all. Their fees are avoidable if you meet simple requirements. Now let's talk about a bank that's perfect for people who want simple, no-stress banking, Varo Bank. Varo is 100% online, but it offers early direct deposit, no monthly fees, and no overdraft fees if you qualify for their overdraft protection. Varo also has helpful financial education tools built into the app, which is great for people who are learning how banking works in the U.S. It's simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. Another account worth mentioning is Chase Total Checking, especially for new immigrants who need a strong, well-established bank. Chase is everywhere. You will find their ATMs and branches in almost every major city. Chase Total Checking does have a monthly fee, but it can be waived if you have a direct deposit or meet a minimum balance requirement. Chase also frequently offers new customer bonuses, sometimes $200 or more, just for opening an account. If you prefer the security of a big bank with lots of services, Chase is a reliable option. Finally, we need to talk about the U.S. Bank Smartly Checking account. U.S. Bank has branches in many states, and the Smartly account keeps things easy for everyday banking. The app is clean, the fees are low or waivable, and the overdraft protection is flexible. It's a good middle ground option for people who want both online convenience and in-person support. So, which account is the best? The answer depends on your lifestyle. If you want the best all-around experience with no fees, Capital One or Ally is a great choice. If you want early paycheck and no overdraft fees, Chime or Varo is perfect. If you want cashback, then Discover is unbeatable. If you want high interest and strong tools, SoFi is the winner. If you prefer physical branches, Wells Fargo, Chase, or U.S. Bank are easier. The most important thing is avoiding accounts that charge fees or force you to maintain a high minimum balance. In 2025, you should not be paying your bank just to keep your money. You have many options that are free, convenient, and powerful. Choosing the right checking account will help you save money, build financial stability, and avoid unnecessary stress. Now you know the best options, and you can make a smart choice based on your needs.